Good morning children. Welcome for today's lecture. So yesterday we were going on with the new lesson, Who's the Greatest, and this lesson is about Emperor Akbar. So before entering into the new section, we will have a glance of what I taught you yesterday. So what is here? Emperor Akbar was one of the most famous king all over the world. He was famous not because he had big empire, lots of wealth, vast army. No, he was a good human being and he took care of his subjects. That's why he became famous. And there were Navaratnas in his court, and among this Navaratnas, Birbal was the most close to his heart. And Akbar always was interested to ask questions, and Birbal gave interesting answers to Akbar. And it is believed that Akbar and Birbal stories are there. Among these two stories are represented in this book. What is the first story? One day Emperor Akbar entered into the court with a serious face, and he asked the people, what punishment should I give when someone comes and pulls my mustache? So courtiers started giving opinions. First one said, you should beat him. Second one said, not only beating, put him in jail without giving water and food. Another one said, beating, whipping, and also to cut his offended hands. Then Birbal was listening to all the opinion, and at last he gave his opinion. What it is, we will listen. What do you say, Birbal? What is your opinion? In my opinion, O giver of peace to the world, the offender should be given his favorite sweetmeats. So when Birbal was asked about his opinion, Birbal told that according to him, the offender must be treated with sweets, sweet candy. Raja Birbal, are you out of your mind? Then Birbal asked, have you gone, as everyone started asking, have you gone mad? Give sweetmeats of such a grave offense, doing such a big mistake, and to give them sweetmeats, what is this? The courtiers began to say. Birbal smiled and offered an explanation. The courtiers started to say. Birbal gave an explanation. What he said? Yes, who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Only his own grandson. So what did Birbal say? Yes, no one has the right or courage to go and pull the mustache of the king. Only his grandson can do that. That's why I gave that answer. When Akbar heard this, he burst out laughing because that is exactly what had happened in the morning. When Akbar heard Birbal's opinion, he started to laugh loudly because that day in the morning, his grandson came and pulled the mustache of King Akbar. That is one story. Now second story. On another occasion, Akbar was relaxing with some of his courtiers. A few of them thought this was a good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor and get some favors from him. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. So what is the second story? Akbar was sitting in a relaxed manner along with his courtiers, subjects. So a few of them thought this was the good opportunity to shower praise on the emperor. So many people thought that if we will flatter Emperor Akbar, say many good things about Akbar, he will raise up. So they started saying and get favors from. If we will say good about someone, so we will be in the favorable situation. No. So they started selling good things. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. All of them. If one is this first person started praising Akbar, the second one more than that, third one more than that started praising Akbar. You are the greatest. Certain people started saying, you are the greatest of the kings. Among many kings, you are the greatest. You are the greatest of the kings or emperors that ever lived on the earth. So another one said, see, those who are living on the earth, no, you are the most greatest one. So understood? This much I will take. Read the lesson properly. Hard words, meanings, question answers have been given. Understood? So I will try to wind up the lecture. Tomorrow with the rest part of the lesson I will be coming. Till then, take care. Thank you.